Okay guys, it's not February 28th or 2016, but close enough. Anyway, it's raining, it's cold, as you can see. Hold on. So, I just got to the barn. I brought the horses in this morning, so their stalls are probably going to be awful, and it's going to be really cold in there because it's always like 10 times colder in the barn, but it's okay. I'm about to go in and clean their stalls. Probably need to change my shoes. But anyway, first I'm gonna show y'all what I got at Ross today. I got Fisher a new rope. It was like $3. I mean, it doesn't get any better than that. It's $3.99 actually. Okay, and then I got this. It's like for underneath a shirt, like a graphic to it. This would be cute, or I'm gonna wear it under this like t-shirt dress I have. Anyways, it was like $8. Oh, it was $9.99. I'm always getting off by $1. Okay, and then I got these Nike shorts, and I usually do not wear white because I'm always at the barn and that's not a good look. But anyway, it's got this little cross tie thingy. It's super cute, and it's got the shorts underneath, which I like. I am in desperate need of some shorts, and yeah, I had to get me some shorts because I only have one pair right now, and I think they were $16 and originally $60, so it was a steal basically. But yeah, that's my shopping cart. I gotta motivate myself with some sweet tea. Okay, I can do this. I can do this. You can do it. Okay. Why? Hey, Rango. Hold on. It's cold. My socks are wet. That's the worst feeling ever, having wet socks. I'm home. It stinks. Smells like a horse. I don't know why it would smell like horses in here. Got the shoes, the proper mudding attire for this. Ugh. Anyway, look how muddy it is. It's only been raining for like a few hours. A muddy mess. This is just fabulous. Anyways, first thing I'm gonna do is take all the horses out, throw them in the round pen, and start cleaning their stalls. So, yeah. Hey, Rango. Feeling good, like I should. And I'm feeling good. Can you, like, not stop laying down, Lenny? Like, what was that? What did that do? What did that do? That literally got you nowhere. Rango, if you lay down, you probably shouldn't lay down on the rail. Okay, yeah, you tell him, Lenny. You're really doing something there. Butt in the face. He's like, hey guys, he's trying to kick me. Hi, pretty girl. What are they doing back there? What are they doing? What's he doing? See, nobody messes with the code. Hey, buddy, what you doing? There's so much chaos. Can't keep up. Can't keep up with everything. You're so pretty. Sorry. Hey, be nice. Okay, I'm going to clean stalls. Can y'all behave yourselves? I'm going to do stalls now. They actually don't look too bad, so. Okay, stalls are done. I look like an actual hobo like this, but it's fine. I have no shame. No shame at all. Anyways, I did my hair. I am not messing it up. I actually curled it and took a shower and washed it. And I don't really want to have to wash it again. So you gotta do what you gotta do. Hold on. Just give me a minute. I'm a little slow. This is so stupid. Okay, now I'm gonna go dump the bucket. I really don't want to dump it right now because it's pouring, but I don't want to dump it tomorrow because I'm gonna be busy because it's Mom's birthday. So I'm just going like this. Also, I'm eating this because it's like falling in my mouth. Yeah. I can finally breathe again. It's empty. Now, after cleaning their stalls, I'm going to fill up. Actually, I'm gonna get all their hay bags filled up. I'm not gonna put them in their stall yet. I will do that as the last thing before I leave, so that way they have not ate all their hay by the time I am gone. So I actually already did Lenny's yesterday right there, so that way I didn't have to rush so much today. Not that I'm in a rush or anything. So Cody has one on the wall, so hers doesn't have to be done because I just throw it in there. However, I am going to do Rango's in my Hey Chicks net, so you can watch that. Okay, we're all set on hay. I got Lenny's, I got Rango's, Cody's, I will just throw in my thing. So now I'm gonna do waters and then do grain. Oh gosh. She never drinks out of the blue bucket. Likes pink for some reason. It's my horse, has to be. So close. Okay, waters are done. Now I'm going to shut this door and get the grain, put the grain in, and then I will bring in the horses, sweep, and then do hay bags. And it's 3:20. The earliest I feed is 3. I usually, whenever they're out at night, I will feed them around like 5. But since they're in and they're gonna be eating anyway, I might as well just go ahead and feed them and then go home. I really need to stop dancing on here before Dancing with the Stars ends up calling me and then I have to reject them. I just never want to show anyone up. Look at them. Hi, cuties. What you doing, boys? What you doing? Y'all are so cute. Ringo's trying to eat. Got the feed. So now I'm gonna put it in. Here's Cody's. Ringo's turn. And then Lenny. Oh, that was a fail. Now time to make their feed for the morning. I always do Ringo's first. He goes to the half-pound Triple Crown Naturals. Just pour it in. Lenny and Katie get that same thing out of the bouncer. But then in this thing, Lenny gets a full scoop of the senior feed. Cody gets her bouncer. And then half a scoop of senior feed. It's not quite as much. Now all I have to do is bring him in. Hi, cuties. Who wants to come in first? Did y'all get all your energy out? Y'all get all your energy out? Lenny, you love the attention. Hey, be nice. Be nice. Ringo, you're cute. I love you. Be nice. I'm trying to pet him. I'm sorry, Ringo. She's a little moody. Cheese. What you think, Lenny? Is it scary? You have officially outsmarted the system whenever you go from leaf blowing the barn instead of sweeping it. 10 times easier. It's good desensitizing for the horses and less work for me. So, win-win situation. And it's a whole lot faster too. Now, I'm gonna go clean up the poop Lenny did in the round pen. This video just feels like I want to FaceTime with all of y'all right now. Probably gonna get like 2 views. There we go. Anyway, I'm gonna get, these are Cody's favorite treats. And all of them actually. So I'm gonna give them each one. And the peppermints are like melted into the molasses. I want to make homemade horse treats this weekend. I think I'm going to do that with the packet I got in that Smart Box. if I have time this weekend, I'm gonna do that. If not, I'll make that a video for next week. Lenny. Lenny. Oh, wow. It's in your bucket. Good boy. Can you pull this one off? You can only have one. Pull it off. There you go. What's on your nose? What you got on your nose? Okay, Rango, it's your turn. Yummy. So good. Watch it, my fingers. Okay. I got Cody's extra hay there, and then her actual hay in there. Rango's hay bag in, and I actually threw a flake on the floor too. So now it's Lenny's turn. Short girl problem. Now I'm going to give Lenny his extra flake of hay and then change back into my normal shoes and then head home. All set for the night. Good night, pretty girl. Good night, Rango. Enjoy your hay. Shoes are on. I leave them really loose because they're hard to get on and off. So I'm about to go home and just take them right off. I got the gate open.